All right, what up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of the Crypto Breakdown. I am your host, Ryan Mehta. We're going to dive right into it today. Coin of the day, Matic. What are my price predictions for the rest of 2021, 2023, and 2025? I want to do a little TA mixed with some DCA strategy, mixed with some let's effing go, squad. Let's get it. And of course, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial investor and I never advise you to invest in crypto in any way, shape, or form. Thank you. Let's dive into the MATA method. Come over here, plug in Matic. Peak of this bull run, 268. Bankroll budget, 5K. Scroll down to the bottom. These would be my DCA targets. This is a whale strategy method that I created, this spreadsheet you can download from my website. It's saying that when Matic gets 75% off, our DCA target should be 67 cents, 80, 54, 85, 40, and so on and so forth. These yellow targets are normally created when we have what are called flash crashes. They're the result of crypto markets being at a parabolically low rate when a economic issue or a unforeseen event takes place that causes that mainly causes Bitcoin to take a dump. And when Bitcoin crashes, it brings the rest of the market down with it. So whether we're going to hit the 90 and 95% off targets, your guess is as good as mine. It has happened in every bear market in history. So to think that it wouldn't would be kind of naive. The key thing to remember, especially about DCAT level 5, is that when prices get down this low, if your entire bankroll was 5,000 and you put 3,500 in, at DCAT levels 1, 2, 3, and 4, the amount of coins that you're going to accumulate on DCAT level 5 is more than all these other 3 levels combined. So with your last $1,250, you actually accumulate more coins than you did with the previous $3,500. So it's super important, in my opinion, to hold out. Now, if you have unlimited resources and you can always put in more money, the lower crypto goes, you don't have anything to worry about. You can actually start to DCA in when these coins get 60, 65% off. Out of all the coins that I held onto last bull run, I think XRP and OMG were 2 that I did not. No, I think that I still would have. No, every single coin that I held on to from 2017, I think I would have got my money back if I would have waited till the coin was 65% off to start DCAing in. So I would say 60 to 65% off, almost a guarantee that you should get your money back next time we go into a bull run. Before we can actually make accurate price predictions, in my personal opinion, you always want to understand how market cap is actually calculated. So I created a trusty dusty shill sheet to kind of combat the shill. Sometimes the mathematics behind it just don't add up. So we're talking about price times supply equals market cap. So right now at 91 cents, Matic has a market cap of 5.7 billion. For Matic to get up to $4.56 and do a 5x from its current price point, we would need to see Matic have a $28 billion market cap, which is quite a large amount. To think that Matic could get up to $10 or even $19 is not unrealistic, but there has only been 3 cryptocurrencies in the history of the world that have ever been able to break $100 billion market cap. That's BNB, XRP, and Ethereum. Not even Cardano, not even Dogecoin at its peak. So to think that Matic is going to come up now next bull run, if the global market cap doubles, sure, I think that we could see Matic do probably a 10x and do around 913. So let's jump over here and take a look at a few other things really quick. Global market cap was the total amount of money that was invested into every cryptocurrency around the entire world this bull run. Peaked out at $2.65 trillion. Bitcoin at its peak had a market cap of $1.2 trillion, ETH 482 billion, BNB 103. You see Dogecoin, XRP, and Cardano up there, 73, 85, 89. Those are huge numbers. I think that Matic could possibly do it. But you also have to realize is Matic only has released 63% of coins into circulation. So Matic has a supply of 6.3 billion. They're still going to release another 3.7 billion coins into circulation. So over the next couple years, depending on how fast they release those coins into circulation, you're also going to be fighting an inflation rate. If you guys could do me a favor, if you guys like this type of content, could you do me a favor and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button? I have videos like this coming out on every single coin that's on CoinMarketCap's top 100 list. So if your cryptocurrency's over here in the top 100, more likely than not, I'm going to get to it. If you drop a comment below, not in the live chat, but drop a comment below on the video and let me know what coins you guys want me to make videos on next. I'm going to work on the top 100 over here first. After that, then I'm going to start jumping into some lower cap altcoins. So if there's any new coins you guys want me to dive into, drop them over here on the list. As long as I can chart them on TradingView, I have no problem making a video for you guys. I appreciate it big time. Thank you guys. You guys can see just by looking at my charts, man, I've been a fan of Matic for quite some time. Matic's still holding its own at the number 19 spot on CoinMarketCap, so that's huge. We go back, we see that Matic came out in 2019, so Matic was not around last bull run. I do like when coins were around the previous bull run, so I could see how the market structure acted in the previous bull run as well as this bull run. But since we don't have any market structure to go off of, all we can do is really take a look and analyze this most recent market structure. We have our small one right here. We have an extended third right there. Price retraces and blows off, and we have this fifth push to the upside. As far as market structure goes, let's dive in here. And I have log on as well, so if I didn't have log on, things would look completely different, but it helps auto scale things and it's easier to chart. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 market structure pushed to the upside, and it looks like we have an actual micro set right in here. Our 1, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, perfect, we did, yes. Little mini set, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Boom. Nice. So Matic had a little double bull there. It's rare that you actually see that. So far, it's just been BNB and Crow this bull run that I've seen pull off that double market structure push to the upside. It takes a lot. It's really impressive. Looks like we are working on some type of ABC structure over here. More so just looks like a A, B. I don't see Matic playing out any too solid of a market structure here coming to the downside. If anything, it more so looks like I'm pulling a 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm making this fifth push to the downside here. Matic's honestly been holding up extremely well, but we do see that it's on that last leg. If Matic breaks support at 67 cents, I think that's when you'd have to worry. I'm going to remain somewhat bullish on Matic. Matic is still above the 200-day moving average. And if you guys haven't seen my Ethereum death cross video, you guys should watch it. Ethereum's getting ready to cross for the first time since June of 2020. Ethereum's getting ready to cross under the 200-day moving average and actually have candles finishing under the 200-day moving average, which normally results in a 40 to 50% sell-off on Ethereum. So I would be worried just a little bit. I think Matic's going to do good. Matic's a beast. So let's say worst case scenario, we have support for Matic down here at 32 cents and 69 cents. Matic's sitting at 66% off from peak formation. Wow, what a beast, man. Very few coins have been able to do that. Almost every coin I've looked into is either 75, 85, 90. So this would be 88% off at 32 cents. So let's just chart this off as if Matic actually, worst case scenario, drops by 50% because of the current economic issues in the USA. That would result in our first leg push back up when we go into the next bull run up to $1.32. Price would retrace down, find support at the 0.618, push up, make its next push to the upside, rise, retrace, rise. And you can see right there, it retraces right to the 0.618. We pin to the low, pin to the high. That would be calling for the next push up after that to $2.43. Retraces down to the 0.382. That would be calling for a $4.51 Matic. Wow, I love when these things are dead on like that. So for Matic to 5x from its current price point right now would give Matic a target of $4.51, lining up perfectly with our chart here, giving it a market cap of $28 billion. I think that that's definitely realistic. Now let's talk about what some people call a super cycle. That means that pretty much that this turns into a subset wave and we'd have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crazy parabolic blow off, almost like a double bull run here. Like you got to think about this as like wave 1 retraces, wave 2 retraces, wave 3 up there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but on a much bigger scale. Depending on how long the bull run lasts, we got really lucky when we had such a long extended bull run this year. On those extended parabolic fists, it could be calling for price up to $40. I don't think we're going to see a $40 Matic. I don't think it's even feasibly possible. That's just a lot of money to be invested in cryptocurrency. For it to be calling for a 40-something dollar, I can see a $22 Matic. I can see a $19 Matic. That I can see. $20 Matic, yeah. Can I see a $45 Matic? That's a lot of money, guys. I don't want to shield that bad. I mean, we can call for it up there, but I think a majority of the time. So you basically can say that if we have a normal fifth, like this more likely was probably my target for the fifth, and then it blows off and has that extended fifth. Normal fifth, we'll put it at $21. If it has a crazy blow off extended top type of fifth, we could see Matic with a price target of $37. Now right here, just based off of this most recent market structure, because we are in this downtrend from this low to this high, was calling for a price for Matic to come down to 74 cents on the next push to the downside. Now, if Matic were to find support right where it's currently at and make a next push back to the upside, it's calling for targets to $1.46. So whether you're bullish or bearish on Matic, if you want to be bullish, those are your targets. If you want to be bearish, those are your targets. But as of now, I see Matic making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, again, lower highs. So you're steadily making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. You're trapped in the macro downtrend. Yes, Matic has been able to skyrocket back up quite a few times. So Matic's one of the coins I never short, and I never underestimate this coin because you never know. Out of nowhere, this coin will just turn around and just... I mean, Matic could easily hit $1.46 within 48 hours. I would never underestimate this coin. But as far as the charts go, it's pulling at the downside. So there you have it, guys. So Matic to the moon, baby. Let's roll. I love it, man. This is actually good. I like this structure. I like how everything charted out. Analytics are good. Now, the main question remains, if you're a hodler, you want to know more than market structure. If you're planning to DCA into Matic, you want to know way more than market structure. You want to know about what value does Matic hold as far as Ethereum 2.0 is concerned. Is Matic just the bridge, and after a few months, Matic is unneeded? Is Matic the lifeline where Ethereum cannot operate without it? I know Matic was a key player in keeping Ethereum afloat this bull run. So I think that if you're going to believe in Ethereum, you have to believe in Matic. I don't know enough about it, and I'm special ed, man. I can't read. I can barely spell. For me to actually do all the research, it's so much work. But I'm a huge fan of Matic. I love Matic. I think that Matic's the lifeline for Ethereum. And I was buying Matic. Gosh, man. I would say I was buying Matic when Matic was like 3 cents this year. No doubt. I definitely did. Yeah, I mean, I've been holding Matic since it was 3 cents. I don't have any right now because of the current market conditions. Obviously, I took my profits, but I think Matic will be a force to reckon with in the next couple of bull runs, especially if it holds that much value to Ethereum 2.0. The more value Matic holds for Ethereum 2.0, the more value I'm going to give Matic as far as price predictions go. I think Ethereum 2.0 is going to send us into the next bull run. I really do. That's why I think we won't go into the next bull run until 2023. So for Matic to get up to even 19 cents, Matic would need to have a market cap bigger than the biggest names in the game. It would need to have a market cap even bigger than Binance did this year. But if you take a look at the evolution of Ethereum in 2017 at 135 billion, and then this year at 480 billion, anything's possible in the world of crypto. All right, squad, so that's a wrap on Matic. Gosh dang, I appreciate you guys big time. Everybody who stops by the channel, everybody who jumps in the live streams, everybody who drops comments, I appreciate you guys. I know you guys go out of your way, man, and I can't thank you guys enough. It honestly means the world to me, man. That's what I look forward to every day, is seeing you guys in the live streams, helping you guys become better crypto traders. So I'm extremely grateful, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys big time. I don't say that enough. So thank you guys big time. And Ethereum and Bitcoin are sitting at that tipping point. The second Bitcoin breaks 28K, the rate at which prices on these crypto and these altcoins are going to go parabolically low. Everybody's kind of still bullish because there's that part of your dumb money brain that wants to think that this is low as crypto's going and you're going to miss the boat, and we're going to go right into this next super cycle bull run, because it means that the coins that you do have, that you have DCA'd into, that are losing a ton of money right now, are going to make you a ton of money, and life's going to get so much better because we're going to go into this next bull run. But with the USA economy on the verge of collapse, statistically, the probability of Bitcoin being able to run up and make all new time highs with the USA market on the verge of collapse is just so rare. Anytime the S&P drops even like 2 or 3%, it brings Bitcoin down by 25%. It's pretty crazy. So I want you guys to be smart. I want you guys to protect your investments. If you got tons of money, sure, DCA into Matic. It's a beast. It's going to crush it no matter what. If money is tight, personally, I like to make sure that I'm making my money go as far as possible. So I want to make sure that you guys just have an honest, accurate, no shill type of TA aspect to see realistic expectations of where these coins are going to go. So love you guys. Thank you guys so much for everything. I can't thank you guys enough. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.